How to create YouTube channel. Go to YouTube and log in with your Gmail account. Then go to the My Channel. If your channel is made, it will be open. If not made, the option of the Create Channel will come. After clicking on the Create Channel, you will be asked to select the name of the channel. You can suggest a good name, though you can change the name later, but it is better to already have a name that you do not have to change later. What to name the channel? Channel name you can keep anything, but it is better to keep the name that. The name of your business, brand or other social media accounts is similar. Keep the channel name as short, charming, and easy as possible. Some people are very worried about naming the channel and repeatedly advise me what to name. Sometimes they want to have a famous name. But my experience and observation says, it does not matter the name you want, not because of the famous name of your channel, but because of your work. If your work is useful and people are liked, the name will become famous. After selecting the name, click on the Create. Sir, your channel is ready. Channel settings. Note, the way I am teaching you is to do it on a laptop or computer. Not all options appear on mobile, so use a computer or laptop while you also make a channel. After creating a channel, make some necessary settings. Click on the top channel name to the right, then click on the YouTube Studio. Now such a dashboard will appear in front of you, where you can make all kinds of changes on your channel, and all your data will be seen here. Click the settings on the bottom left on this dashboard. Now there will be a window open in front of you in which you have to make the necessary settings in the general setting. Select your country, write some tags, write down the deposits. Explain yourself and your channel introduction and purpose. Choose channel. Then you select your channel's eye, which click on the customization from the dashboard. You make your year or make it from someone else. Channel eye is identified by you or your brand that people are visible under your videos. Here in this picture, the yellow features things that need to be taken care of. Example: logo picture size, banner picture size and format. Be careful about these things and prepare people and banners. Similarly, make a video watermark, a small eye that will appear on each video. It should be transparent. Links to the channel banner. Now you have to give links to your other social accounts on the banner. Click on the Basic Info tab for this purpose. The picture above is clarified with yellow places that you have to fill. Description. Language. Social links. Contact email. Add the trailer. Now you have to add 2 videos here that will be your channel trailer. Section below the channel trailer. That is, you can set the videos on the homepage of your channel here. Make your custom URL. When your channel becomes, it automatically becomes a URL of your channel that is in the form of a long code. You can continue the same URL and customize it. Custom URL you will be able to make when you have the following things. 100 subscribers. Channel age a month. Eye, year and banner. But when you customize it, then you will not be able to change the name of it or the channel. Follow the rules. Follow community guidelines. Avoid giving. Do not display anyone else's privacy in the video. For example, vehicle's number plate, house number, etc. Videos do not show blood, animal battle or any scene that has been stopped by YouTube. There are some YouTube laws that are blocked immediately for violating, while there are some laws in which warning is given. For example, the copyright strike, such as the warning, is blocked even if found 3 times a day. Uploading videos. After doing all these settings and studying the rules, you now start uploading regular videos. Add videos after recording. Keep the video file name as the title of your video. Upload the video. Make a thumbnail and apply on the video. Note, the option of applying custom thumbnail is off. You need to have your channel variability to turn it on. The method is to click on the custom thumbnail, then you will be asked to be channel variability, click it on it and write your mobile number and put the message from the message here. If the video starts to get up, then write the video title. Write down the title detection, that makes it clear what the video is about. Under the title is the custom thumbnail option. Below it is clear that this video is for children or for adults. Then write a few video related tags. There are also a few more settings that are not necessary. Click the next and respond to what is asked. Select the video private. That is, keeping this video your private. Want to do public. Publish the video. Your work is completed. Channel monetization. You must have 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time to monote the channel. Getting this target is very difficult for the new channel. If you are not a celebrity, you can get this target in 6 to 8 months by regularly uploading videos. But if you are a celebrity, this target is completed within a week. Important. Usually people think making money from YouTube is a very easy task. Some people make a channel with the spirit that I will subscribe to my friends quickly and then my income will start. The channel's income is not only related to monetization, but also by thousands of people watching your videos. If your content is not known, you cannot make money even after the monetization.
So instead of subscribing to making good videos and uploading daily, work for 4 to 6 months with a continuation. Upload at least 4 to 5 videos every week, more good. Consider it as a service. Earn from the channel and earn through the channel. One thing is to earn from the channel, and the other is the difference between the two. Earning from a channel is that you upload videos by monetizing the channel. Your videos run on the ads of the Google, and their income gets you every month and gets it to your account. These revenue can also be $10 a month, even $100. The second way is to earn you through the channel. That is, you use your channel for your product, services, brand advertising. So people see your videos and get your products or your services. I think it is high earnings from the earnings that are earned.